Hey everybody, and thanks for tuning in to Woodcrest Bonsai. Today I'm going to do a quick wiring on this Mame Premna. This guy is just tiny. So here's my finger. So he's just only maybe 2.5 inches high. Got great motion. I love this little tree. But you see right here, I want this part of the first main branch to go horizontal. So that's all I'm going to do today, and I need to have it facing me, so I'm going to turn it around. Wrap it around the trunk a couple of times. Yeah, maybe just once. Should be fairly simple process to get this baby in the position that I want. So there you go. Nice. So that's it. A quickie. Mame Neea. Neea buxifolia. This is another tree that has small leaves, naturally small leaves. This is as big as the leaf ever gets. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and you can watch this guy continue to develop on its journey to be a mame. And like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment if you'd like. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.